what am I going to do? I've got a TCPA-compliant database. Now what am I going to do with it?
So the number one thing about prospecting from my perspective, and everything I know is probably copied from you or someone else sitting up here, is we're almost never calling to make a sale. We're really calling to add value to someone's experience. And it's not really different than what you're doing. We're calling to add value to your experience. So if you're a past client and it's summer, like if I'm anywhere in the country right now, I'm calling and saying, I got an AC guy and I booked him out for next week and he'll come over to your house and do a service call. What time's good for you? We do the same thing with termite. We do the same thing with lenders. Hey, rates just dropped and like half of all new mortgage applications last month were refinanced. You should be prospecting your database to talk to a lender.
So the truth of the matter is this is a little airy-fairy.
Yeah.
What I mean by that is it's coming from gratitude and service, but it isn't necessarily a specific thing that I'm doing. It's any way that I can bring gratitude and service to my database.